All right, so imagine creating not just one design, but 50, 100, even hundreds in minutes. Sounds crazy, right? Well, in 2026, Canva has a feature called Bulk Create that does exactly that. So, yeah, if you're making social posts, quotes, or product designs, this is a game changer. Let's break it down step by step. First, start with a single design. This is your template. Add your layout, text, images, everything you want repeated across all versions. Now, replace the parts you want to change with placeholders. For example, names, quotes, prices, anything that will be different in each version. Next, go to the Apps section and find Bulk Create. This is where you connect your data to your design. Now you need your data. You can type it manually, upload a CSV file, or paste from a spreadsheet. Each column represents a variable, like names or captions. Here's the key step: connect your data to your design. Select a text element, then link it to a column from your data table. Once everything is connected, hit generate. And yeah, Canva will automatically create multiple versions of your design, one for each row of data. Now go through your designs and check for any issues. Sometimes text might be too long or misaligned. Just fix those quickly. When you're ready, download all your designs at once. You can export them as PNGs or even combine them into one file. Bulk Create is perfect for quote posts, product catalogs, certificates, or personalized content. Basically, anything repetitive becomes automatic. So yeah, that's how you use Canva Bulk Create. Instead of designing one by one, you design once and let Canva do the rest. Honestly, it's one of the biggest time savers out there.